Hello. Tara.
Good evening, everyone. So, before I start my message, I would like to greet my sister. Happy birthday. You are the most amazing and the most stunning woman tonight, sis. Anyway, tonight is your most important day. You are reaching the right age where can you make a decision or stay for your life. Bisag mo pa kakamot sa yung age, mag-decision, magkaniwali ba? I want to know how grateful I am to have as my sister. You're not just my sister for me, but also my partner in crime. A supporter and someone I can always count you. Bisag, wala pa rin gikonti kami. Thank you for the all times you've been there for me. Thank you the laughter we shared and secrets we keep. And even the little fights that made our bond strong. You are joy, kind, and strong and beautiful. Never that I'm always proud of the person you are becoming. I hope this birthday brings you all the love, joy, and blessings you deserve. You may continue to chase your dreams and grow confidence and live a life full of happiness and meaning. No matter life takes us, always remember and be here for you, cheering you and loving you every step of the way. Enjoy your day, always eat lots of cakes, smile back and make memories that will last lifetime. You deserve nothing but the best. I love you so much and happy birthday.
Marini Pabalate. Next, Antoinette. Okay. Dapat may message. May message. So, ganiya guys. Murag ako may iyahang doon ka noon. Kisabi. Perfect. May request, Divina Sibuko. So, murag lang siya. Is there a phone? Kani may wish din eh. Pangbato ni siya sa mga Sibuko ba? Ayun, pangurot ka niya. Kyle Nicole Venegas.
Happy 18th birthday, Mora. Pwede ka na please. Stay home you are. Wish you all the best. And the Tuesday, I'm so happy. Kabay pang magbigay friendship ta. Once again, happy birthday. I love you.
May request, Menjo Casito.
Hi Dai, happy birthday. Sorry I came unprepared.
Tsaka na,
Happy birthday lang.
Lagay mo request, Gizella J. Katubig.
Wishing you a day filled with love and unforgettable moments. Cheers to adulthood and new beginnings. Stay fit.
Michelle Cabanos.
May wish ka?
Wala. Okay. Miss Susa Francesco.
Bisag mo great na kung happy birthday na kung sa dyan sila. Oy.
And now, please help me welcome Vernon Facultad. And now, Donita Jane Dinuega. Right, Jezreel Laga.
Saan ba siya, Day? Wala ara.
Sims Mabel Regina.
Hi King, happy 18th birthday. Welcome to the legal age and wishing you all the best and more candles to blow and again happy birthday.
And now,
Diba? Naka-message na dyan siya. Sa
help me welcome Rihanna Valdado.
Para. Message? Wala.
Ninjan Lada.
I know. O, ato mic, pinakos ka na itong microphone. Tara. Sige, sige na ito marin. Yan ang. O, ay, kagutan.
Hello. Mayong gabi sa tanan, nagunagin sa itong buhing na Diyos, kaya kunay na big reason nga nung natabara karon. So, karon na wish ko tingin dahil na dyan nga, I hope that will always guide and protect her and be always happy and be kind. And always remember na you're always my pretty girl. And be proud of yourself because I'm always proud of you.